How to check notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down on the screen from the top. You are now in your lock screen. You can view your notifications in the notification center over here. Scroll down to view all the notifications. Alternatively, swipe up to open the home screen and then go to Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. On this page, scroll down and go to any app. For example, Amazon. Then, turn on the Allow Notifications feature at the top. You can repeat this to turn on notifications for all your apps. Following these steps, you can easily check notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.